Hey guys, have you tried sea salt cheese foam? Served as a popular topping on an ice cold drink, it's creamy and fluffy, sweet and slightly salty. It's also incredibly easy to make. In this video, I will show you the accumulated cost for the dish I'm making, and I will list each ingredient and amount needed. At the end of the video, I will also show you the cost per serving. Sounds good? Let's get started. In a small bowl, mix together 30 grams of cream cheese, 30 grams of milk, and 1 gram of sea salt. Microwave for 10 to 15 seconds at a time until it's melted. I did about 1 minute total. This step helps break down cream cheese lumps so that the end product will turn out smooth. Stir slightly, set aside and let it cool. Grab a mixing bowl, add 150 grams of heavy whipping cream, 15 grams of granulated sugar. Beat with a hand mixer until sugar dissolves. Then add 10 grams of sweetened condensed milk and a cream cheese mixture from the previous step. Keep beating until smooth and creamy. Little tip here to help prevent over-whipping the cream. Stop once your cream can leave clear tracks that won't disappear right away. I pair this with my favorite, brown sugar oat milk iced latte. Add 8-ounce cold brew coffee, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar oat creamer. I got this one from Trader Joe's. Add 1 cup of oat milk, stir them up. Then top with our sea salt cheese foam. Garnish with cocoa powder. Here you go, simple and easy. As for the remaining cheese foam, you can store them in an airtight container. Keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Top it on any drink you like. Coffee, latte, iced tea, or milk tea, or anything you want. Trust me, you will fall in love with this one.